boys and girls, it's me. And I'm in Kutztown for the fall swap meet done by Delaware Valley Historic Radio Club. So it's Friday, and we're walking around and saying hello to everybody and buying and selling radio stuff. So let's take a walk around and check out, see what's going on. Get you up a little bit. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, the white room is now open. Please pick up your auction purchases from last night. They will be closing the white room at noon, so please pick up your auction purchases by noon today. Thank you.
I can't remember the name of the company sold it, but there is a battery. Okay. Put the good in it. Yeah, we'll take it ahead. Rod down early morning. That's great. I didn't buy much either. No? You know what's funny is the guy who wanted to email me last night, man. He said, oh, she's selling stuff. I told him, no. All right. Okay, I'm with Jay. Here. Jay, where are you from?
Ashburn, Virginia.
Oh, okay. So it took you a little while to get up here.
That's right.
So how'd you hear about coming up to Kutztown?
I've known it for at least 20 years with the Mark Antique Radio Club. And,
okay.
Been repairing radios for 30 years. Business has been a little bit slow, so I thought I'd come up here and try to, reignite my business.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, I was impressed with you because I walked by here. Every time I saw you, you were busy. This looks like a Philco chassis, right?
It's a Majestic.
Or a Majestic?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were just well into it. You got your siren arm fired up. You got your voltometer there, your hand tools, little handy strip there, your D5, F5, and you got everything ready to go.
Yep.
So that's cool. You're the first band I've ever seen just do this throughout the whole show. I thought that was just rather cool, and I wanted to put you up on my page. So
okay, thanks.
Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your busy time.
Okay.
And do you have a card?
Yeah, I got
I'll promote your thing. Okay, here.
Yep.
I'll get down. So
please contact me.
there you go, Ashburn, Virginia.
Yep.
All right, there's a phone number, and okay, there's your email address too.
Yep.
So need some work done, give Jay a call. All right, hey Jay, thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you. Take care.
She let everybody know she didn't care. Yeah. Yeah.
This is kind of cool. So like a rollover of your hobby, or you just happen to find these, or?
I've accumulated them. And I don't want to put them on eBay, and I could, you mail them on, they'll get smashed and everything.
They're just too frail.
And I hate, like
Picture that. That's the original oil to oil them up. That's amazing.
yeah, you don't see them with the oil. You see the empty bottles all over the place.
But that's the oil.
Yeah, I've been selling these. This is the only last two I have left. $10 a bottle, I guess.
Wow. Yeah, it's flatbed trucks. Not just for cars anymore.
What makes this breed rare is it's
There's the radio rat.
Oh, this is this amp. Is this
Biggest customers. My biggest customer. Oh, let me see the sign. Oh, that's great. Okay. All right. Again, we got the Heathkit capacitor tester there, right? I see the ghetto blaster. You got the tube tester. What's the blue box there?
Cap checker.
That's another cap checker. You guys done a lot of shopping already. Okay. To RMS.
taking videos now?
Making videos now.
right.
Hey, look at this ugly.
Have fun.
Who bought this ugly turd? Oh, wait a minute, I did. And what does that say? Oh, I'm already sold. Oh.
Yeah, he bought it after he had a few of these, you know.
I bought this. Oh yeah, we had a there you go. Little breath mint here. But this is the only, I have the only radio like this. This is one of one. As I said, it's distinctive grill cloth right there.
It's all